Oatmeal is one of the healthiest and easy to prepare breakfasts. But how about overnight soaked oatmeal? Maybe you have heard of it but never tried it. Don't get fooled by its name. It actually only takes a few minutes to prepare it. In today's video, I will share the ingredients you need and the 3 easy steps to prepare your first healthy overnight soaked oatmeal. Hi, welcome to Healthy Palace. My name is Serena Lee. I share quick tips on how to pursue a healthy lifestyle, focusing on plant-based diet and easy plant-based recipes. If you're interested in my content, please subscribe my channel. First, I want to briefly explain what are overnight oats. Overnight oats are uncooked oats. You soak it in the refrigerator in a container of yogurt, milk, or another liquid. While oatmeal is meant to be eaten hot, overnight oats are cool and creamy. Like oatmeal, overnight oats can be made with different flavor profile by switching up its soaking liquid and what you mix into it. So the basic ingredients you need are oats, soaking liquid like milk, and if you like, a sweetener. I recommend you to use old-fashioned rolled oats because they can maintain their texture during the soaking process. So your overnight oatmeal are creamy, not mushy. You can also add some yogurt to your liquid if you like it to be creamier. Now you have all the ingredients. Let's go ahead and start to prepare the meal. The first step is to combine the oats with liquid. The best ratio of milk to oats is 1:1. Stir equal parts old-fashioned rolled oats and the liquid such as milk in a jar or container. If you want to add additional creaminess with yogurt, you can add half as much as yogurt as milk. So the ratio will be 2:1 for oats, milk, and yogurt. The best container will be with a lid. I will include a link of overnight jar in my description below just for your reference. It's fine if you don't have one. You can just use a plastic wrap to cover the top. If you are adding additional sweetener or fruits like berries, stir those in now as well. Next step, cover and chill. Cover the container or seal the jar's lid and store in the refrigerator overnight. Then the final step is enjoy. Next morning, your overnight oats will be smooth and creamy. If you're using heavier fruits like banana chops and crisp mixes like nuts and cereals, you can just sprinkle them on the top and enjoy it. I recommend you to try overnight oatmeal. Here are some reasons. The first is it has multiple health benefits. Oatmeal can help to lower the blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and help with weight loss. The second benefit is it's very easy to make and it's convenient to carry with. You only need to spend 30 minutes one night before and carry it with you the next day morning to your office. The third benefit is you can prepare in bulk. Overnight oatmeal can last 5 days in refrigerator. That means you can prepare for 5 days breakfast at once. The fourth is it's highly customizable and it's very delicious. You can use your favorite ingredients, mixings, and toppings. For the liquid, you can use any kind of milk like soy milk, oat milk, or any kind of plant-based milk. Or for flavor or mixings, you can add chopped mango, pomegranate seeds, hazelnuts, chocolate, tahini, banana slices, strawberry slices, orange zest, and ground cardamom. For toppings, I recommend you to add heavier fruits, crisp nuts, cereals in the next day morning. Are you excited about the recipe? Do not just watch, but give it a try for your breakfast tomorrow. Hope you will enjoy it and share with me what are your favorite ingredients. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. I'll talk to you soon.